Hello everyone. Today we are showing this camp pikes. This one I call this model is green gold with the red color. Camp pikes. It's a very nice model with folding, very compact, and you can put inside your car boot easily. This design is quite solid too. This is use the OD grips built in with the bells. Then the front with the brake caliper. The tire size is 16. With the big crank, this is an alloy crank, and this is the gears at the back. Everything at the hub there, the gears. And this is the roller. When you fold, you can push around. Maybe you're going inside the mall or anywhere, you can push foldable pedal. The tire is shred, the valve is shred. So this one also come together with the pump. So already comes with the pumps, you can pump anytime you want. You just bring extra tip also can do. I see the bottom bracket is seal bearing, the bottom bracket. Okay. It's a very solid design. Okay, now I'll show you how it folds. So you just follow the step how it folds. Then you see it's quite easy and it's very compact. So you just go through this video how it folds. If you have more inquiries, you can direct WhatsApp us for more details or for the price too. But now we are selling at 2,400 ringgits. Okay, we only sell in Malaysia for now. See, very compact and lightweight. Okay, enjoy our video and thanks for watching.